we're on board the new Qantas 787 Dreamliner. This is in business class. Of the lay flatbed here.
Justify, like, as nice as it is, I couldn't justify spending such money on this.
How long have you been flying, John, with Qantas?
Me, 13 years now.
13. And you do the international?
I did. I started off in domestic,
Yep.
did 3 years in domestic, and then moved to international. Yeah, that's a
Now, I'll move a little closer here, just so that you can get an idea. Now that is truly 180 degrees. But the other great thing about this seat, as he brings it up, is where you can put your water bottle, where you can put your phone, where you can put your magazines, it's all accessible. And it's something I really like. Someone's thought about the design, and it's really built around the passenger. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you. Here we go. And we're locked in for either takeoff or landing. Thanks very much.
It's one of our brand new continuous refreshment bars.
Sadly, it's got no refreshments in it.
No,
so yeah.
But we also have an additional one of these located, which is referred to as an ambient bar down at our doors.
Is that right? Okay, we'll go. Now this here, is this for business or economy?
This is for both business and premium economy.
And premium economy here? Rightio, okay. And there's also one for economy down the back?
There's like nothing. There's like so much room.
Here we are in economy. And so you've got a 3-3-3 configuration, which is pretty good. The seats are the new Slimline, but they are comfortable. The headrests bend, it does recline, fair weight, it's not bad.
The last 6 metres of the aeroplane hanging out of the hangar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've won, bingo.